In this video, we'll show you how to add an internet speed meter on your Samsung phone's status bar so you can quickly check the upload and download speeds like this. So to do this, first head to the Play Store and then download this free app called Internet Speed Meter Lite. Once you have downloaded the app, simply open it. Next, tap on this grant permission option so that the app can show notifications, and then hit allow. Once you have done this, you'll immediately see the live internet speed at the top left corner. You can expand the notification panel to see this download speed and the signal strength. Now if you want to customize this and see the upload and download speeds separately, all you have to do is head to the app's preferences menu. Now here you should see this show up down speeds. Simply enable the checkbox and now it will show you the upload and download speeds separately. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.